Hello friends, welcome to my class. Today I am going to tell you the analysis of the G+10 Storey r.c.c building, okay, and we will analyze earthquake load in this, okay. So let's start. Go to State Pro, select new project, piece frame. Now I am giving it a 6 1 2 for next, and okay, file is 613, okay, so next now finish, okay. Now go to geometry, run structure wizard. Now select frame model, select B frame. So in our problem there is the length has been given 24 meter and it's 30 meter height, and width is given as 24 meter, okay. And similarly number of bays are also given in our, okay. So G+10 building, so height will be 10, okay. Now number of bays will be 4, okay, for the width, okay. Now click on apply. Now transfer this model. Now the model, so you can see isometric view. Now first of all assign this, go to general, now define. So we will define here two rectangles, okay. So first of all define a rectangle of 0.6 in the length and 0.3, okay. Add it, again define a rectangle in this 0.3 on the length and width 0.6, okay. Add it, okay. So 0.6 and 0.3 we will just select, assign this material to, first of all assign this material 0.6 and 0.3. so select beams parallel to x-axis and select beams parallel to z-axis, okay. Now assign to selected beams, okay. Now click on rectangle 0.3 and 0.6. now beams parallel to y-axis, now assign to selected beams, okay. Now you have to assign the supports, so click on support, create, fix support. Now I'm clicking on the front view, select the nodes, bottom nodes, I'm fixing them, okay. Now isometric view, you can see the foundation of the our structure has been fixed, our r.c.c building has been fixed. Now we have to go to loads in definition. Here I am taking earthquake load, so we analyze the effect of the earthquake load on the G+10 r.c.c building. So first of all define the earthquake load, okay. So double click on it. Now go to seismic definition. For earthquake load views, go to seismic definitions, click on add. Now select your type, IS code, I'm code detecting this, okay. Click on generate. Here in a problem we have to see the location first, okay. So in the problem zone is located in Delhi, okay. So we will tag the city Delhi, okay. Select Delhi, okay. So for Delhi zone Z will be given, okay. Special value will be given. So here the in problem OMRF, ordinary shear wall, will be selected, all general building, soil is hard, and damping ratio is 0.05, and in both the cases, okay. Now here we have to select for the x second and for y second both type of periods in the x and y second, okay. 0.96, and in Z also it is 0.96. Now click on generate, click on add. Now self weight factor 1. Now we have to give floor weight also here. So floor weight we have to give 6.75, okay. In the range here we'll decide the range, okay. So minimum range I am deciding is here is 3 to 27, okay. First this is for the the pressures or the floor weights beyond the slab, okay, beyond the top upper slab, okay. So I am defining it this, okay. add it. Now pressure, give the floor weight pressure for the slab. Okay, so top slab, for top slab I'm pressure defining 4 and giving the range 28 to 30. Okay, Y range giving 28 to 30. Now click on add. Okay, now close this option. And now our earthquake load has been defined. Now go to add load cases details, add it. Now first of all define the seismic loads, earthquake loads, that is earthquake loads MS. You will define here only for the EQ for X and Z axis. Okay, so EQ, save it, option I. Okay, caps lock EQ for X axis add, and EQ Z axis add it. Now dead load and live load also we will define, so L1 and L2, but we will first assign the earthquake loads. Okay, so go to EQX, now add it, add seismic load. In the X direction it is X positive, so plus X, click on add. Okay, now Z axis, go to seismic loads again, click on Z direction, then add it. Okay, now similarly the earthquake load has been assigned. Similarly dead load and live loads, click on first self weight, assign the self weight, then here flow load we will assign. I will assigning it here -6. Now I define the range, I define the range 3 to 27 again for the floor below the top slab. Okay, so this flow load has been assigned. Now click on live loads. For live loads again the flow load and defining a pressure -3, and here I am giving the Y range is 28 to 30. Okay, this is for the top slab. Okay, so add it. Now you can see that a floor has been also assigned, this also assigned. Now click on the self weight and click on assign to view. Okay, now you can see whole loads have been assigned. So now analysis and print, click on add, close. Now you can see whether the program runs or not, check the errors. Okay, so 0 errors, and you can see in the post processing results also. Okay, click on animation and then deflection, you can see. Okay, so it's okay. So this was the analysis of G+10 r.c.c building frame with earthquake loads, and this is all for today. If you like my video, then please do like, share. If you have any problem, then comment in the comment box, and do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for the latest update.